Hey everyone, in this video we will be learning how to make this star pattern. For more such patterns, you can refer to my Learn Python series. So let's get started. First thing is to import Turtle library and we'll write main loop as well so that the turtle screen does not disappear, and as a result we will make a line at first. So let us make a line of 100 pixels. Here we'll run a program. So we can see a line is made. If we see our pattern, this is the line we made, but it should be longer, I think. So let us just keep it to 100. Okay, so at first, if we observe this, we need to make this triangle and then this inverse triangle. So let us make this triangle first. We made this line. Now we need to rotate it towards left by 120 degree like this, and we'll move 200 pixels again, and then we'll rotate it by 120 degree towards left, and then we'll move. So like this we can make a triangle. So let us see, left 120 degree and then forward 200. We're rotating it left 120 degrees because this is an equilateral triangle. So this one is 60 degree, and that's why this will be 180 minus 60, which is 120 degree. So we see two sides of the triangle are drawn. Now let us just write this again, and we see this, a triangle is drawn. Now the next task is to make the inverse of this triangle, this one. So for making this one, if we see a cursor is here, that is, it is at this point, and we need to bring it at this one. So we can rotate it and bring it here by using t dot up and t dot down. So let us write t dot up, t dot down. So let us see the output again once. So cursor is here and we need to bring it here. So for this we can rotate it towards right by 150 degree and then move forward by some value. So sorry, it's not t dot up. We have imported turtle from turtle input star like this, so it will simply be up and down. Now we will rotate it towards right by 150 degrees and then we'll move forward like say 70. So if we run this and see, so 70 is too less. Let us try another. Let us try 170. Okay, 170 is too much. Let us say 160. Okay, it seems fine now, but we can set it later as well. So let us draw a triangle and then we'll set it accordingly. So the next thing is to make this inverse triangle. So for this we can rotate it towards right by 90 degree and then we can draw this triangle. So let us rotate it. Let us rotate it by 90 degree towards right, and then we will move forward by 200. So let us see. Okay, this line is made. Now the next thing is to rotate it towards right by 120 degrees. So let us see. Rotate it right 120 degrees and then we will move forward by 200. So let's see, yes, two sides have been formed and the third one is left, so we can just copy this. And if we see, a star is formed. Now let us just set this value. We set it as 160. Now let us try with 145 and see how our star looks. Yeah, so you can just set this 125. I guess it will be better. Yeah, so we made a perfect star. We can change the width of the size and as well as the color. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!